Hello, this is Chris from Cali Raised LED, and today we're going to be installing our Toyota Tacoma and Tundra flagpole mount. These are compatible with all Toyota Tacomas and Tundras that have the Toyota Bedrail system. The first step of our installation process for the flagpole holder is to inventory our hardware and get our tools prepared. In the box, you're going to get your flagpole mount, you're going to get 2 Bedrail nuts, 2 washers, and 2 3/8 bolts. The only tools you're going to need to do the installation are a ratchet and a 7/32 Allen socket, or you can use a 7/32 Allen wrench. The first step is to select the location of your flag. We've chosen the driver's side rear position on the Toyota rail. This mount can fit on any of the rail locations that you desire. The next step is to remove the cap from your rail. Simply push down and pull. You're going to slide your 2 nuts, Bedrail nuts, into position. Next, each bolt gets a washer. You're going to hold your flag mount into position, the long tube facing down with the short tube on top. We're going to line up our holes with our Bedrail nuts. After these are hand tight, we will adjust our positioning to our desired location and then tighten them down with our wrench. That will complete the installation of our flagpole holder. Please visit CaliRaisedLED.com to place your order.